have Samsung Galaxy A52s, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume panel style on this device. So as you can see right now, I have like my default Samsung volume panel, but you can actually customize this panel by downloading the app Volume Styles. You just have to open it, then tap Start, then grant accessibility services permissions here, like this. And now you can pick any of these proposed volume styles. Like you have different ones like these Color OS, Paranoid, Android, Oxygen OS. You have even the iOS volume style panel. As you can see right now, my volume style looks exactly like in iPhone devices. You can also customize your styles. You can create your own ones. A lot of different interesting features, but my personal favorite volume style is this emoji one, because it's like hits really hard. Just look at it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.